Everyone, and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today I will be solving a problem which is score of a string, Leetcode 3110 problem. So let's read the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have given a string s. The score of a string is defined as the sum of the absolute differences between the ASCII values of a adjacent characters. So finally we have to return the score of the string s. So what is the mean of ASCII value? Like हर एक कैरेक्टर के करस्पॉन्डिंग एक वैल्यू होती है. Like here we have given a string HELLO, hello means. So if we are taking a character H, so there is a ASCII value which is 104 here you can see. So there is a table which defines the ASCII value of each character. It starts from 97 or 96. I think it starts from 97 because 97, 98, 99. I'm talking about small characters. If you talk about big characters like capital A, capital B, then it starts from 47. I think I am not talking about exact value, but there is a table you can see on Google, like what is ASCII table. It will give you a table, and there is a table like for small characters and big characters. So you can see here small h is represented as 104, e is represented as 101. So you can see we have to find the sum of differences, like absolute differences. I'm talking about absolute differences. The absolute difference between h and e will be 3. Difference between e and l will be which l is 108 and e is 1017. So here we have here the sum is 3, then the sum is 7 plus 3 10, then again the sum will be 10 plus 3 13 will be my answer. So you can see 3 plus 7 plus L minus L is 1 1 sorry, L is 108 minus 108, so it will be 0. And L minus O, absolute difference of L minus O will be 3. So 3 plus 7 plus 0 plus 3, which is 13. So 13 will be my answer. So let's do a code for this. So coding part, you can see here the constraints are very simple. Like if you can see here, my length of the string will go from 2 to 100. So why it is starting from 2? Because if we are finding the difference between the two characters, like the sum of differences between the two characters, so we need two, at least two elements, at least two characters. So that's why it is starting from 2 and it is going up to 100. So we can use big of n technique to solve this. So what we will do, we will define long in sum. Because why we are taking long, because the sum might be exceeded, so that's why we are taking long. So for int I equals to 0, I am traversing the string, sorry, 1, and I less than s dot size and I plus plus, and like sum plus equals to absolute difference of s of I am starting from first index. So like you can see this example, my I is here, I is at the index 1, because index is starting from 0. So I is at the index 1, which is e. So s of I minus f of I minus 1, s of I is showing e, and s of I minus 1 is showing h. So difference of f of I minus s of I minus 1, and we have to take the absolute value. So that's why I'm taking absolute function. And final we will return our sum. So that was the code. If I run this code and see if this will work or not, it will work definitely. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, you can see it is taking 0 millisecond and beats 100% of C++ users. So here what we have done is we are simply finding out the differences between the two characters, and we are going to do sum. And for that we are just using the traverser technique, big O of n. We are just traversing the whole string and we are finding out the absolute difference between the characters, and we are doing the sum here also. So that was my code, and if you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Tab tak ke liye bye.